Alright, as y'all can tell by the title, we finna make some air fried chicken. As y'all can see, just kind of whatever seasonings you want to throw, nothing very specific. I know why she ain't put that on there. She threw a little lemon pepper in there, gave it a nice little taste to it. So right here, as you can see, you need to lightly season the chicken. You know, don't worry, I know it's gonna look a little light, but that thing ended up having flavor, trust me. I had a little piece of it and it was delicious. Well, not a little piece, I had a plate, but anyway though. So yeah, just season up the chicken a little bit right now. Now we're gonna get it nice and good in the flour. I know it say lightly coat, but I don't know, to me it just seems like a good coat to me. I think she ain't put no egg on it because she put it in the air fryer. I know normally when I deep fry me some chicken, I put some little egg on it, then put it in the flour and shit. But yeah, now she putting it in this fancy ass air fryer, or at least to me it's fancy. Let's see how long she put it on there for. So she baking it at, or no, air frying at 400 at 20 minutes. And boom. Yeah, that motherfucker probably sound like a brick. But trust me, it was not hard. It was a good crunch. It was delicious. Now I think she's making the. I'm not too sure what she's making right now. Better find out though. She put some lemon in there, some more lemon. Get more of that little zesty flavor, the little zest. Yeah, get all the juices in there and everything. Ooh, she whipping it like she done whipped something else up before. Put a little parsley with some more butter. Yeah, she love her fucking butter, man. Love her butter. I'm going to shave some of the lemon, you know, make the use out of all that fruit right there, you know, don't let it go to waste. Alright, so. Yeah, I didn't even know she did all this. Okay, so she made a little sauce for it. Shaking it up. Yeah, I got off work like super late, so she's shaking that little thing too. Okay. Anyway, I got off work late, so I didn't even know she put all these extra juices on here. Alright, and there we go. Got some air fried chicken for y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe.